Hi, I'm Melissa Mueller-Shanahan, and I am a 10th grade English teacher at Lafayette International. I've been at Lafayette for 18 years and with the new international school for 3 years. So I am going to be sharing two projects. One, which is our main project that we've been working on for the last 8 weeks, which is our Universal Declaration of Human Rights project, Human Rights, the Art of Protest and the Power of Persuasion. So I'm going to be sharing what our weekly schedule looks like and what our final collaborative project with our global history is going to look like. And I'm also going to share about another project called A Day in the Life, which is a digital video project. So some of the things that we're going to be discussing as we look at how the weeks are set up are some key elements in supporting multilingual learners: instructor presence, multi-access points, timely feedback, and engaging students in real-world applications. We'll also be looking at routines, building background when we are instructing new content, giving information through multiple modalities and letting the students respond in multiple modalities, and the all-important sentence stems. So then we will discuss some successes we've had and some challenges, be talking about different technological platforms like Nearpod and PlayPosit and Padlet. So I'm looking forward to sharing with you and also to hear what has been working for you or what has been difficult, because this is still in the figuring it out. Lastly, we also will be discussing aligning the work across grade levels because of the way everything was laid out or rolled out in sort of an emergency situation. There was every teacher creating content in a very different manner and a different look, and especially for multilingual learners, that can be really difficult. So as a school and as a grade level, we've been looking to make our work appear online more similarly. So if you join me, that's what we'll be discussing. Thank you.